In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline View in Airtable. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple projects, tasks, or any time-sensitive information, you're in the right place. Airtable's Timeline View is powerful for organizing and visualizing your data over time, making it much easier to manage schedules, deadlines, and milestones. Whether you're planning a project or simply need a clearer, aesthetically pleasing way to view your tasks, this view can be incredibly beneficial. To get started, first, you'll want to click on Create New. This will allow you to either start a fresh base or bring new life to an existing project. Once you've selected or created your base, the next step is to open up the Timeline view. You can do this by clicking on Timeline. It's nice and straightforward, right there waiting for you. The Timeline view in Airtable enables you to see your data over a set period, giving you a bird's eye view of your projects and tasks. This feature is particularly helpful when dealing with deadlines or planning future tasks. By displaying items along a timeline, you can quickly assess what tasks are happening right now, what's coming up, and where there might be overlaps. This visual representation makes it easier to identify any potential scheduling conflicts or planning opportunities. After switching to the Timeline view, you'll notice that Airtable gives you a clean, organized timeline layout of your records. This timeline is interactive and can be tailored by dragging and dropping items to adjust their start and end dates directly on the timeline. This feature makes it far more dynamic and customizable, ensuring it fits perfectly with your workflow. One aspect to keep an eye on is the timeline configuration. Be sure that your dates are set correctly in your Airtable records, since the timeline relies heavily on these date fields. You can configure which fields to use for your timeline, so if you have multiple date fields, be sure to set them correctly. Choosing the appropriate start and end date fields will ensure that your timeline is accurate and meaningful. If certain tasks depend on one another, using color coding or grouping is a great way to make these dependencies obvious. These visual clues are as important in interpreting the data as the timeline itself, as they help draw your attention to priority tasks or different categories. Exploring the granular details, like changing the view from a daily to a weekly or monthly perspective, can also provide clarity. Each level of detail can give you insights into different aspects of your projects, allowing for deeper planning and better time management. That's a quick overview of how you can make the most of the Timeline view in Airtable. Remember, the key to effectively using any tool is to tailor it to your specific needs, so don't be afraid to experiment. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.